YouTube creators love using ring lights because they give a flattering light and they're easy to set up. The one possible limitation is that if you wear glasses, but even then there's a workaround, so let's take a look. Ring lights create a soft, even light and a glowing halo.
Turn off the light, Dave. My word.
Ring lights create a soft, even light and a glowing halo effect in the iris, making faces look welcoming and about 10 years younger. If you're 9 years old, that will probably be quite weird. But the common setup is to mount a light stand and shoot through the middle of the ring quite close to your face on a separate tripod. But most ring lights also come with a cold shoe mount for you to place a camera, smartphone or tablet in the middle and have it all in one setup. Once you've got that done, which can take only a few minutes to set up, you're ready to go. And that is the major attraction for those who don't have a dedicated studio, because they're lightweight and can be packed down and stored easier than something that's really easy. Now, let's see if we can turn Ed's quickly aging appearance back into the boyish good looks he once had. In my opinion, a ring light is best used on a daylight setting, so a 5600K in combination with natural light, which gives a clean, fresh look, works perfectly. Most of them come with that daylight setting as standard, so it's not complicated. They do need to be closer than regular lights, mainly due to their lack of directional punch. Look what happens when we come back a bit. Now let's compare to the more usual 3-point lighting system. The ring light holds up pretty well by comparison. You can even put it off to one side if you're near a window and create a more sculpted look, but as always, be aware of the changing light outside. This off-to-the-side look may also be the solution for those wearing glasses, and to avoid those distracting ring flares on your bifocals. Ring lights are also popular for taking portrait stills, so it might be the go-to for your thumbnail images too. If you want to subscribe to a perfectly normal channel, then go and subscribe somewhere else. But if you want to learn about production from us, then hit subscribe. There's a playlist here that might help a little bit more about lighting and general production.
Dave, turn your light off.
No, I like it.
Flaggen linje.